Okay, somebody asked me how to make salmon patties. So I'm about to make these salmon patties. This is the store brand pink salmon. Open it up, drain it. I only put salt and pepper on there. I'll put a whole bunch of seasoning. An egg or two, depending on what you want. And then I put crackers as a, helps with the crust. Some people take the bones out, I don't, because they soft. You use any type of crackers. It's a big onion. But we like onions in ours, so. Handful of onions to what you like. Hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all having a good dinner. I use Townhouse crackers. It's a great meal after work. It's quick. I don't measure the crackers. If I make it too dry, I add another egg. If I make it too loose, I'll add some more crackers. Man. I don't know why it's giving me the sardine vibe. I want to add some mustard, but I'll just add some mustard to mine when I cook it. Pepper. salt. Some people fry theirs in grease. And it's your salmon patty, so you can fry them whatever you want to, but I use butter. So it's about ready. I'm sorry that, last time I scraped the bowl a lot. So I'm gonna switch my fork to a spoon. So I want to scoop it up. Couple extra onions. Ain't never had too many. Let's go over to the stove. That's the pan. See if I can position y'all where the pan at. That's the pan. Sorry about my hand action. Got my rice. Ooh, I burned myself. Got my rice on. This is an old school meal. If you don't know, it's high in omega 3s, and one can feed your family. Throw some rice and some peas in there, and you on and popping. Now, some people like mashed potatoes. Uh, it works for us. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button because it helps the algorithm. If you not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Yeah. You want to brown it on both sides. I don't know the time. Just keep on, like, because the more it cook, the more it's going to hold. So I'm gonna let it sit for probably about at least 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. And I need to watch hours, so I'm gonna cook these first two with y'all all the way. You'll see it golden brown on the sides. Let me go get my peas. Ooh, it's starting to smell good, y'all. But you see how it's holding? Then I'm gonna flip it. See how golden brown it is? I'm gonna let this one cook a little longer. It smells good. Clean while you cook. About to break it. Nice and golden brown. So I don't know how long that was. It's about 4 or 5 minutes. Gonna let it sit. But you see how I got that little crust on it? Oh yeah. It's gonna be crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. And then it's alright too. Like you see my pan is dry. Well, one of them still got a lot of oil on it. But if it get dry, sometimes I put the butter on the side just so it could have something. Sorry about that shake. Something, to cook with. I think once you cook it on one side, the other side cook faster. At least that's how most of the time it works. There go the product. Let me see if I get it in camera. Y'all see that? That's a salmon patty. I like to do it in a set of two, but y'all will see in the thumbnail how dinner turned out. But y'all, thanks for watching, and y'all have a wonderful day. Blessings.